What's up, food lovers? So today is my brother's graduation. Candy right here. He got his own TV show, YouTube show. So check him out. I'll put the link up above and down below in the details for his YouTube channel. Today, he's gonna be showing you how he cooks the crawfish. So what's up, brother?
Look, check it out. We got a 100-pound crawfish right here. And then some of the ingredients that I use for my boil would be adding some mushrooms, eggs, smoked sausages, corn, Brussels sprouts, some Cajun seasoning, OJ, Cayenne Pepper, Oregano, and sugar and butter right here.
So that is a whole lot of ingredients. That's a whole lot of goodness right here. Look at this butter. All this tube butter, corn, OJ. We're gonna get to cooking. Let's get to cooking. On this episode, we are doing a review on Boil Boss. They sent us their product right here. I haven't opened it yet, so we're gonna go ahead and open it. This is a tool for cooling down your pot after you cook it. So if you don't want to overcook your crawfish. If you overcook your crawfish, it's going to get dry and all the juice is all going to fall out. So this is supposed to be cooled down within 3 minutes from 200 to 130, 150 degrees. So we're going to try it out and review it, and after we get the crawfish boiled.
Thank you for your graduation gift, brother.
up, guys? We are here, finished with the crawfish boil. Look at this beautiful creation. We are gonna do a temperature check, and then look, we got the boil boss all connected. Let's check the temperature right now. So it's about 200 degrees right now. I'm gonna put the boil boss on. This clips here, here, and here. Turn it on. So what's up, guys? It's been 3 to 5 minutes. We're gonna shut it off, mix it up a little bit. We're gonna check the temperature, see if it's cooled down. The desired is 150. So right now it's like 160. That's good enough. Want to try it, taste it, see how the crawfish tastes. Go ahead, dig in, guys. Hot? Good thing it's hot. It's juicy. Shoot, man, it got that kick in it. Woo! Got that good flavor though. Spicy.
Hot as hell.
Hold that.
Can't have it now.
Good.
I love crawfish. But sometimes
It's good. Hold it down to like 150, 160 within 3 to 5 minutes. This product is a game changer. So with this, you don't have to add the ice after you cook it. It dilutes the water down. So next batch, you don't have to put more seasoning. With this, you cool it down within 3 to 5 minutes to 150 degrees. This product here is a game changer. Right here, this is made in Louisiana, New Orleans. So I'll have the description down below and the address of where to get it. But guys, go ahead and check it out, and you won't be disappointed. It just clips on like this. At 3-point, goes down and turn the water on. It cools down like that. 3 to 5 minutes. That's it. All right, let's get to eating. Woo! So here we go, guys. The final product. These crawfish are humongous. Man, look at these bad boys. Look at this. So nice, fresh, and juicy. That is packed of flavor right there. So guys, this is my brother Skinny recipe. I'll have his link up above and down below. Make sure you go check him out. He does outdoor DIY stuff. So make sure you check him out, Kenny Tiet. And if you like this video, smash the like button and smash the subscribe button for me, alright? Alright, I'll see you next time. Bye! Bye!